Let's continue with the van build, and today I'm going to mount a heating cable inside this van. I may be the only one in the entire world or on YouTube who is doing it. I did not have seen anything on the internet that other people intend to do it or has done it. But if you know something about it, write down in the comments. I'm eager to hear about it. So stay tuned to follow out how it will go. It has been a really long day yesterday, but I managed to finish up at least partly the floor. And I also had worked with the framing of the back door on the construction, the supporting at the back door. I have to draw everything once more on the ground so I can determine where I will have the heating cable. If I mount some drawers, cupboards and the shower, that the heating cables are not in the way. It's really important to have a plan where they should go. And then I also know how many meters I need for the floor heating. Stay tuned to follow up. Okay, here you see the bed is starting here and it's going all the way here. And when the shower starts here, like in this part, here I have a kitchen area. It's really small, but it will work out. And here will be somehow the sink. So the heating cable area, it will be in this here, going all the way and to the end and back. Now it's getting serious. I'm having the heating cable and going to place it on the floor. Here you see, this is a standard domestic heating cable. I have no idea or no clue if it's working in my van, but I will see how it will work during the winter, but it might take up to 10 months. It's 150 watt, and I also got the shower tray today, so now I can see more easily how much it will build, so it will be really interesting. Now everything is placed, it's looking really good. The most important thing after, if I continue with the van build, that I'm not drilling or using a screw into the heating cable. This would be really stupid. So I have to document everything where it is. But one good thing with this floor, it's really good, so you can easily see which lines I have used and in what lines you can actually do some holes. So I just need to mark it here and on the other end, and it shouldn't be an issue. We will see. So now I'm trying to lay out the aluminium tape to get the heating cable as low as possible into the lines here. So when I am placing laminate later on, that everything will be good. There's been some breaks with the flooring. I'm choosing to lay laminate. One reason is it's more durable and it's a really expensive one. It should be good quality. And as I know, I have the same in my house, and this is pretty water resistant. So when I plan to seal all the way around and all the holes, so I don't get, or there might be a less possibility if I have a leakage somewhere with water, it's not going into the subfloor. This is how far I have come. It's so nice to live straight in the nature, like this spot here. You can hear the birds. And do you hear this? Woo-woo. This is an endangered species of a bird. which is protected in Norway, and this is actually marked on the map exactly here at this spot on my property.